Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, welcome to Fabuween. I keep forgetting. So today I'm doing a video on 7 different type of cartoon Halloween costumes you guys can do. I know with the climate of everything, of COVID, Halloween's going to be a lot different this year, obviously. So just want to say, if you do decide to do anything, please be safe. And yeah. Hopefully these costumes will come in handy. When I was thinking about the different type of content I wanted to do for October, I knew initially I wanted to do Halloween costumes. So I'm really challenging myself this time with 7 different cartoon Halloween costumes. So let me know down below what you guys think, and let's get right into this video. Again, these costumes were very creative, I would say. Very DIY. I did not purchase anything for these costumes at all. It's everything that was in my closet. So use your interpretation really, and just based off of like the type of color, coordination, and styles, you can totally recreate any of these costumes from anything in your closet as well. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed all these Halloween costumes. Let me know what your favorite one was down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.